So it's 38 degrees in Brisbane, Australia today, which is 100 Fahrenheit. And my coconut oil that I'm about to use is totally melted. I need to check the temperatures of the oils and the lye to make sure they're roughly the same so that I can blend them together. So I use my stick blender to add to my oils and mix it up until I find a light trace. I really didn't need to melt my oils very much today because of the temperature here. Luckily we've got air conditioning inside to keep us nice and cool. So we're going to have a hot one this Christmas, I think. So I don't know if you could see that really well on the camera, but the mixture got to a light trace. As I was drizzling it over the top, you could see that it was making a pattern on the top of the soap batter. So that's when you know you can start working with the soap batter to create your swirls or whatever else you like to do. So I'm just about to add some green mica and then some cocoa powder to the other half of the batch, and then I'm just pouring it into my mold and creating a swirl pattern. So just getting it all out of the bowl. And then I'm going to use my coat hanger, my very technical coat hanger tool in a second to create even more of a swirl effect inside the soap. And I've also added some raw coffee ground to the green to make it look like the chopped chip inside the mint. And the smell is just glorious. I love the way my house smells when I've made a choc mint soap, and the choc mint soap is very well loved. And here's the final product in the mold. So this is pretty exciting. I'm getting to use my new soap cutter for the first time. My lovely partner Paul bought me the soap cutter, and just slicing my choc mint soap now, and I can't wait to see what the inside looks like. And aren't they beautiful? The little swirls look great. I'm really happy with how they turned out. Very pretty. And that's my choc mint soap.